Cruising the neighborhood in the rain, downtown Fort Bragg, California. The rain was coming down steady, the kind that settles in and doesn't bother to let up. Perfect weather for a slow cruise through downtown Fort Bragg. I rolled out onto Main Street, wipers keeping time, the whole town shining under the wet February light. I eased through the old downtown blocks, Franklin, Laurel, Redwood, the streets that hold the history of this place. Storefronts I've known for decades, some still hanging on, some long gone but easy to picture if you've lived here long enough. The old brick, the weathered wood, the neon signs reflecting across the puddles. Downtown has its own look when the rain hits it just right. Past the historic corners, the small shops, the cafes, the buildings that have changed hands a dozen times but still feel familiar. The rain softened everything. The edges of the sidewalks, the glow of the windows, even the traffic lights felt slower. Just locals out in the weather, doing what they do. I kept cruising the grid, block by block, letting the storm set the pace. No rush, no plan, just watching the heart of Fort Bragg settle into another winter day. Some towns look tired in the rain. Ours looks honest. Just a quiet ride through the neighborhood, staying dry in the car, taking in the history, one street at a time. Thanks for watching, and thanks to all of you who've already subscribed. I really appreciate the support. If you're new here, you can subscribe for free by clicking my picture at the end of the video. See you on the next drive.